Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing store. So today we're doing city furniture walkthrough. So this store is located in Orlando, Florida near the mall at Millennia. So let's go and see what they have. So they have beautiful furniture in very reasonable prices. So you can see they have this beautiful bed set. They have the bed, they have TV console, and then you can find matching couches and also the nicest decorations for your home. So they have arranged everything in a way that if you buy a certain bed, which dining table or which TV console or which color scheme would go with your particular furniture that you're purchasing. So you see how nicely they have arranged the whole store. Everything is nicely set up that it doesn't look very congested, and they also have lots of nice decoration pieces for your home in reasonable prices. So you can see like this dining table, they have decorated very nicely. They have put some candles and centerpieces on it, and they have put the price on it. They also mention dimensions on their the sign where they have mentioned the pricing, so you know that how big of a table or furniture it is that you're purchasing. So you can see they have a dresser, they have a cupboard, and they also have the dining tables, and they have chest drawers. So they have very nice furniture in there, and this store is recently opened here in last year, I think. So it's relatively newer, but price wise this is better than all the other stores and expensive stores. And if you are into modern furniture, this is also a good place to go and look. So you can see the color schemes are also very nice. So they have arranged a lot of things in color schemes as well, and I was highly impressed with all the nice decorations that they have arranged and they have set with all the furnitures that they have. Some of them are old style and some of them are very new and modern styles. Like for the dining table along with chairs, they have some couches style chairs as well, which I think is unique and different. I have seen in TV those kind of setup, but seeing in person was very nice. And you can see they have some more of the beddings here, the whole bedroom set and how you can decorate your bedroom. They also you can get an idea from coming to these furniture stores. And they also have cushions and fake plants. So basically everything is to purchase. Everything has prices written on it along with the pictures on the wall. So I personally think it's a great place to shop in terms of home. So if you are setting up your home, or you're buying a new home, or you're decorating your home, or you're renovating your home, I think this is your place to go, where you can find every piece of furniture under one roof. And they also offer financing if you want to go on that road. And you can see they have this very beautiful TV console, this chair, and they have this dining table. Like I was saying, they have bench on one side and they have chairs on the other side. This is a new style, and I think it's very pretty and unique. So you can see this dining table is priced at $17.99, and they have a wood bedding like old school brown wood, and they have white wood, and they have this another dining table you can see with the bench style. It's very unique and very pretty. So you can see how nicely they have arranged everything looks so pretty, and the wall paintings are also very nice. And they also have arranged some cushions to go with the couches that you're purchasing, and people are also there to help you. If you ask for help, they can always show you what you're looking for, or what will go with your cushions or with your couches or anything that you're looking for. And also you can place an order if it's not available in store, so they can always place an order for you and have it delivered to your home. So let's move forward and see some more of the furnitures. um Everything on the floor was absolutely amazing. People were having a good time because this store is very new in our area. It's the only city furniture in Orlando currently. So you see a lot of people are enjoying, and you see a lot of TV commercials about the stores as well. In terms of pricing, this store is relatively better than a lot of high-end furniture stores, and the quality of furniture is also really good. So you can also get lamps from here as well. So you can see that beautiful color scheme in the back, which is like a orangish. So they have candles and centerpieces in that color scheme. They also have paintings, and they have L-shaped couches, they have regular couches. So one thing that really attracted me, the kids section. So I really wanted to show you the kids section. So this is for kids. You can see they have bunk beds for boys and girls. It's really pretty to look at bunk beds. So you can see how, and they have little table and chair for kids. They also have rocking chairs for your nurseries. You can see this beautiful bunk bed with stairs. So it was really beautiful to see these kids section as well as along with your regular furniture. That you can see they have little ottomans, and they have this little chair and table for kids to study. They also have desks for your children as well. They have these little houses for little girls, and another table and a desk for kids to study. They also offer mattresses. So if you're looking for a mattress along with the bed, they can also offer you that. Along with that, they also have beddings here. So the beddings you see that are displayed in stores, you can also purchase those beddings if you ask them. And you can see another desk and chair for the kids. Also, they have these beddings, which these beds for kids that were previously cribs. So you, like, the headboard can become a crib, from crib can become a bed. So in terms of those, they also have cribs available. So you can see those beautiful girl beds. I was in awe with all these beautiful things they have for kids, and how nicely they have arranged everything. And they have little dresser for kids as well. And you can see this bedding. So if you want this bedding, they can also offer the bedding as well. So you can see those people are buying bed for their kids. So let's move forward. I will show you the nursery section. So they have cribs, they have changing tables, they have a rocking chair and glider for your baby nursery. So you can see here they have little chair and table. They have that rocking chair. They have that crib. They don't have many cribs, but they have some. So you can see that bed that was previously that crib. So you can see the headboard of that crib can become a bed as well in future. When your kid grows up, you can make it a bed. So they have an example over there. This is a gray color, that's the beige color, and that brown. So that brown was previously that crib that became a bed, so which is very convenient. And they have this rocking glider in the store. They have some more cribs in different color schemes, depends on what you're looking for. And they also have different colors available. So if you look at the sign for the pricing, they also will show you the different color schemes. Like this crib has different headboards that's written gray. Sorry, you can see the colors gray, brown and white. Also the bedding that is on the crib is also for sale, so you can always get the bedding as well along with the crib if you want it. And they also tell you which cribs are convertible that grows with the baby. So like I said, it can become a bed in future. So after the nursery, they have some more furniture over here. So the store is huge. It is based on 2 stories. So I was not able to capture everything, but as much as I could, which I liked myself. So you can see how beautiful that bedroom set is and the beautifully arranged room. I was thrilled and amazed by all the stuff that is available in the store, and how nicely and beautifully arranged this store is. So if you're renovating or you're buying a home, you should definitely check out this store. A lot of things are unique here as well, in terms of modern furniture especially. So you can see everything has a price tag on it, everything is for sale, depends on what you're looking for. And this store, I said, is the only store available located in Orlando, Florida. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what other store you would like to see from Orlando or from United States. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.